our stories. We are here for transformation. How to get a stable income daily, every day. There is something at your back office to withdraw. That is why you are on this Zoom today. We are also here to mentor you, to also mentor others to join Algo platform. I would like to welcome you all on the Zoom call. Let's have a few minutes, have 10 minutes in addition, to wait for others to join. Before that, send the Zoom link to your colleagues that you want to invite to join, to listen to this good news. Invite your family members whom you want to transform to live a better life in Algo. Invite your course mate, your classmate, your other group mate, Instagram, and the likes to join this opportunity Algo trading platform Zoom meeting. In order to know the details of the platform, invite them. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Those that you can call them. Those that you can call to join, call them to join. Let's hit 100 today. Let's hit 100 today. Remind them that it's time for them to join. Before that, I would like to acknowledge some few people on the call. That is my brother from different mother, the same father, Destiny Anthony, our instrumental lecturer, teacher, professor on this platform. He has an in-depth knowledge in trading. So I can say he's having the impetus to teach you, to lecture you on the Algo trading platform. So he's here today with the zeal, with the same passion. He will deliver the message to you. Bet Joy, you are welcome. Brother Charles, you are welcome. Cohort 2, Mercy, you are welcome. Crypto Shark, you are welcome. Faith, you are welcome. Francine, you are welcome. Her Majesty, you are welcome. GFT, you are welcome. Brother Jimmy, you are welcome. Akwaba, Jones Opon. Joyce Trust, you are welcome. Omo Kilode. Joycen, you are welcome. Joanne, you are welcome. Mary, you are welcome. That's my mother, Mary. Mary Omondi, you are welcome. Mojo P, you are welcome. Mushu, you are welcome. Neil, you are welcome. Peter Mbiti, you are welcome. Queen of Queens, you are welcome. Ricardo, you are welcome. Brother Sam, you are welcome. Salsa, you are welcome. Timo, you are welcome. And Winner, you are all welcome to this great opportunity platform. I hope I've mentioned all of you. Congratulations to all of you. Four minutes more. Let's remind our friends, our colleagues to join. It is an opportunity for all. In this platform, we are all equal. The only difference is some got the opportunity early and are trying to let others know. Some also have the opportunity and they have the money and they have traded and gained immensely from the platform. Some also had the opportunity and dragging their feet to invest to also gain immensely. Some also had the opportunity and they are saying, do it, let us see. Some also had the opportunity, but still they are procrastinating. Today, if you are here, do not be part of them. Take a bold decision, take a bold step, and make a stable income on Flickr Algo. There is so many platforms around, hovering around. But here, you can see it all. Those who joined over 2 months ago, they can testify. Today, an opportunity is open for all of you. Whoever wants to testify, whoever wants to showcase his account for us, we are happy to invite you. We are happy to allow you show your screen and show us how much you are making on the platform. Today, as usual, the pattern, my brother will take over and then dichotomize the PDF profile, the profile of the company, starting from the transaction, merger and acquisition, from Firefly to Flickr Algo, from Firefly acquisition to Flickr Algo by Goainvest. Then we look at how to search for authentic certification, the database of US regulators. We move from there. I'll take you over to know the companies that Goainvest has acquired. From there, you see a few things on Flickr Algo platform. Then we move to back office and do some activities. Thank you all for coming, and it is almost time. I call on my brother, Destiny, to take over the mic. Brother Destiny? Brother Destiny.
A very good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much, my brother from another mother, Mr. Peter. He called me Professor. I humbly appreciate, but maybe I'm not yet on that rank of a professor. I'm just somebody who is always motivated by my spirit. Passion drives me. I always fall in love with what I do, regardless. I welcome you all from all respective geographical locations you are streaming from. The power of technology, 50 people are listening and following. Wherever you come from, thank you so very much for joining this call. It's a Tuesday evening. It's African time. Anthony K. Destin, my name, streaming live from Nairobi, Kenya. I also want to take this opportunity to welcome all leaders, the pioneer members. I'm talking about those who got to know the opportunity within the range of the scope of this past 2 months or even 1 month. But there are those who got the opportunity 3, 4, 5 months back, 6 months back. I like what Peter said. We are all equal. The difference is time. A ripe banana and a raw banana, they are all bananas. The difference is one, time. The other banana is ripe. Another is not yet ripe. But that doesn't mean the other which is not ripe won't be ripe, ready to be eaten. Don't worry. Maybe you're not yet ripe, but you will be ripe. The time is the difference. I want to take this opportunity also to recognize all people streaming for the first time. Guests, kindly allow me notify me in the chat room by typing 1. I would love to recognize all the guests. It's your first time to be here. Somebody invited you. Please, I would like to recognize you before I break the ice for this opportunity presentation. Go to the chat room, type 1. Lastly, we are also streaming live on YouTube, a personal YouTube account. So we are on live on YouTube. Congratulations, happy streaming live for the first time. Mary, congratulations. You are most welcome. Something like that. Francine, you're most welcome. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you for accepting the invitation of the person who invited you. I also have a friend of mine all the way from Kigali, Rwanda. I think he's within us. Tinotenda Mutimwi, you are most welcome. Major P, you are most welcome. Henry, thank you so very much for coming in live. I have another friend from Singapore, Jovia. You are most welcome. Congratulations for Leah. You're most welcome. I have another friend from Singapore. I think he's streaming live as well. And all of you, you are very, very much welcome. Without further ado, let's have this clip just shortly, then I roll out very, very fast. Listen and please empty your cup. Empty your cup. Whatever you know, put it aside and give some space to learn something new. You'll be glad you did so. Yes, yes, yes. Try Africa Algo today.
Recording in
trade
progress.
Like a robot. Thank you. Okay. Why are we here? 60 days, close to 70 days, ever since I received this opportunity. It found me with some acquired trading skills, both in the financial markets of cryptocurrency and Forex. I did not analyze this project as a marketer or somebody looking for people to join. I was analyzing this project as a trader. My questions were, how smart is this trading system? What is the algorithms they are using? How are they trading? What are the quantitative systems? Is it an expert advice bot that runs on TradingView? Is it an institutional algorithm trading for institutions and individuals? What is the legitimacy regulation of the project? Those are the most questions I had when I was assessing this project. I came to learn that the project is far beyond bigger than what I expected. One of those things we came to realize that the project has already surpassed 1 million users globally. The information I collected was in our genealogy. The person who gave the opportunity to my brother got the project in January this year. That is the information I collected. I went ahead to assess and check how did he start and how did he announce this project to his community. So if I looked at the starting date of the project Global Trading up to date, then I have no doubt that the company must have the 1 million users plus. It is possible. After all, the global population is 8 billion plus. So what is 1 million on 8 billion population? Almost nothing. How did I get surprised of the system's efficacy and efficiency? I have never seen any glitches in this project whatsoever. Withdraw, deposits, transaction, logging in, OTP on email, to mention but a few. I said, if 1 million users can use a system and it does not even blink a single second, then this system can accommodate 10 million, even 20 million, as far as the system can expand. But that's not a story for that today. I want us to look at the profile of the company. Africa Algo is an innovative platform focused on AI-driven financial trading. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Let me tell you this, with the little knowledge of trading I have acquired, many trading institutions, even individuals, they are developing AI-enabled trading systems or tools. This is the truth. Many institutions, many personalities are building up AI-enabled tools that can help them scan markets. So to me, when I got to know this, that Algo can enable trade not only for individuals but institutions, the next question I was asking is the legal aspect, the regulation aspect. the approval aspect. Once it passed the legal aspect, I said, this is it. I'm running with this now. Because when technology and innovation meet regulation and approval, then it will be an unstoppable force. Just like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies now, they have already passed the tests, the two tests. Innovation, every day there are innovations in the blockchain, in the crypto assets. Now that there is legal approval, done. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, they have already taken off. They have already taken off. It's no longer a question of legality. It's a question of who is still hesitating to tap into this opportunity of digital assets. Now, I came to learn that Algo is not an independent company. It is a company under an acquisition or a subsidiary. This also strengthens the company's foundation. So we have a Goainvest LLC, a financial holding company registered and regulated under the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, Goainvest is a company dealing in securities, forex, data analytics, asset management, and investment advisory services. Okay? You also have subsidiary firms in Japan, which also demonstrates the global market presence. Now, Goainvest is the mother company of Algo. And we are going to see that as we flow. So here they are saying, by integrating Algo into its system, who? Goainvest, integrating Algo into their ecosystem. That means Goainvest already existed, had products or subsidiary companies, then it came and acquired Algo to add it on its ecosystem of brands. Or they have subsidiary authority over. Okay? So this is the essence of Algo being a product of Goainvest. So if you're doing research, do research from Goainvest, come to Algo. Also know when did the company start, when was it acquired, before it was acquired, what was it called? That will be a story for another day. Also, my brother will break down for you. Now, I want us to straight away go very fast to the SEC requirement as a company called SEC regulated and approved. There are protocols for SEC to approve a company if it passes the 4 tests, or if it submits the 4 requirements successfully and assessed, it will be given the SEC certification. Number 1, we have what we call the asset under management threshold. It says that companies must submit at least 100 million worth of assets, okay, for SEC to listen to such a company seeking for its approval. Number 2 is the financial aspect. They say that for you to submit request for us to approve you, show us your financial report of 1 to 2 years. We shall look into that. How have you been performing? Number 3, show us your legal entity. Who are you? Are you an LLC or you are a corporation? Number 4, show us the background of the founders of the company. We want to know their record as far as financial crimes and securities violations are concerned. That means the company should present the profiles of the founders, the CEOs, the CTOs, the CMOs, whichever the case. So if you pass this 4, then SEC will approve you, regulate you, and give you a certificate. My question is, why is Goainvest Afrikkalainen SEC approved and regulated? It's because they have passed the financial report, the AUM, the legal entity, and background. That's why Goainvest is LLC, Limited Liability Company. Okay. Question: how do we verify this? This is the biggest question. How do we verify this? Now, there is a very serious website here called advisorinfo.sec.gov. My colleague is going to have a very, very well searched procedure immediately I finish, and is going to show you how you test the hypothesis of the data and information you are watching on your screen. For you to use your mobile to search, it's possible. For you to use the computer, for you it's possible, and it's going to do that very, very well. Stay tuned, do not leave. They say seeing is believing, so allow me show you the certification of Goainvest awarded by US Securities and Exchange Commission. We have the dates here, 2018. We have the brokerage number, name, investment advisor. The SEC numbers are here, but my friend will show you this in details in few minutes to come. Now, that was a profiling of the brands we have and also the legal proof. In details, we are going to look at it. But let me straight away take you to what we call the profit logic of Afrikkalainen. Everybody joining Afrikkalainen is joining as a trader, whether you have a skill or not. Why? Because the system is trading for everybody. As long as you register, you buy the server, you do your KYC, you can switch a trade, and the smart system will do the work for you. How? Number one, through what we call the auto trading AI, auto trading artificial intelligence. How? The 228 strategies, the high frequency trading, helping the system to scan markets real time in milliseconds to execute trades even when you don't know what is happening. That is the power of AI. So all your trades are automatically executed and the AI is doing the work. Number two, profit logic is the profit mechanism. Business for business, win for win. The company is applying the technology to trade. You have the capital. So proof of work is every time your trade ends, it has your capital plus the profits. And the company says, look, since we have applied our technology, you are the capital owner, let us take 30% from that 100% profit and take 70%. You, the owner of the capital. Therefore, that makes the profit mechanism. So every time the trade ends, you have 70% of profit share. The company takes 30%. In the normal trading language, or those of you who are forex traders, we have what we call account managers. The person trades for you. You agree the percentage share on profit. Most of them take 50%, 50%. Whether they have blown the account, whether he has made losses, there's no much agreement. He'll tell you, the market was bad, I over-risked. There's nothing you can do. But here, the company is giving you a chance to enjoy 70% with no terms and conditions. Beautiful. We have the number 4 logic, which called the server rental, or what is called recently, the newest is server quantitative technology. In other words, in simple terms, API, application programming interface. This technology is used by the company as the launching pad of your trade to the market, into the algorithm, to participate in the transaction enabled by the computer systems of the Algo or the AI. That's why you buy a server, you subscribe for a server for a month. You are literally buying technology that takes you to the market, to the open market. Binance, Bybit, Goainvest, TradingView, or KEX, whichever exchanges the company is launching trades. Profit logic number 4 is the insurance option. This is a no-brainer because all traders trade, but their insurance is in their stop loss. That's the only insurance for your capital, to preserve your capital. You don't trade with the stop loss, it can be washed away. The company says, look, each trade you execute is insured. You pay slight percentage, so there is no risk on your side. We are taking the risk. We are taking the insurance percentage, which is very minimal. Maximum 0.5%, 0.2, 0.03, something like that. You can choose your own insurance rate before trading, and in the event of a loss, you'll be paid according to the contract to protect your capital. This is very phenomenal. So this is very important. Explain this to all the investors for better understanding. This statement always makes me very, very encouraged. It says this profit model is built on real-time, real market trading activity, ensuring long-term sustainability, transparency, and user confidence. Now, let's tune in to the nucleus of the cell and the first profit model we have in Afrikkalainen. How do you make the money? Number 1, you are all traders. Whether you're trading with $10 or $2 million. But how do we go about it? Step number 1, the company has allocated the server prices that you can purchase. We have 4 of them, and they're all working for you or serving you for a month. Number 1, we have the free server. Number 2, we have the $4 server. Number 3, we have the $40 server. Number 4, we have the $150 server. How does it work? Each server has been allocated a capital range. Each server has been allocated a capital range. Also, the contract trading period. If I have a free server, I subscribe to it normally. Then I can trade between $10 to $30. Okay? Then you can choose any time you want the trade to run. Trade duration. Do you want 4 hour? Do you want 8 hour? Do you want 12 hour? All this is chosen by you. You allocate the time, you purchase the free server, and you allocate the capital based on what you've deposited. When you test this, time to upgrade. Don't be like Baba Jr., who is on a free server. Week 1, week 2, week 4 is still on a free server. He's almost going to 2 months. He's still on a free server. Baba Jr. come out of the free server. There is a $4 server. A $4 server is giving you an opportunity to trade between $30 to $1,000 in capital range. And you can select the trading duration of 12 hours or 24 hours. The choice is yours to buy $4 server. The choice is yours to deposit the capital range of this. And the choice is yours to select the duration you want to trade for. I call this the contract between my money and the company's trading model. Once this time is over, my capital and the profits will come and be under my balance section, which I can either launch back the trade, I either withdraw the profits, launch the capital, or I withdraw everything out. Maybe I come back tomorrow. If that is how you want to approach it. So contract trading period is very important. And I'm going to tell you how this is very important. The $40 server is giving you an opportunity to trade between $500 of capital range to $10,000 of capital range. And it will unlock for you 12, 24, 72 trading contract. You select 12, you select 24, or 72. The choice is yours. $150 server, $10,000 plus. You can unlock it through 24-hour duration, 72 or 120. Are we together? A server unlocks capital range and the time duration. And the server is the launching pad of your capital to the market. Everything else after you initiating is the system's responsibility, not you. Once you launch the trade, forget about it. Set the timer, alarm, so that when the trade is over, you can remember in time to come back and launch the trade again. I have never seen the most efficiency, user-friendly trading model like this. Now, as I conclude on this page, from my experience so far, a 12-hour trade is giving out between 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2%. 12-hour. The 24-hour is giving out or maxing out 2% total capital. 24-hour. The 72-hour is maxing out 6%. 72-hour trading duration, which is 3 days. Which is 3 days. 72-hour. So that means this trade will run for 72 hours non-stop. 3 days. So you expect a 6% of your capital, profits of your capital. You expect a 2% plus 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, depending on the market situation. I don't want to tell you that we have a specific percentage. Nobody should tell you that. But we have a range based on each completed trade. If you don't know how to calculate, send a call. My colleague will handle that. Every day, I know how much percentage I make on each trade that finishes. I know. And that is my biggest concern. The rest will follow. Today, I know how much percentage I made on my trade. Okay? Because traders, first, we want to know the percentage. That is how traders gauge the performance, even when they are journaling their trades. When you journal your trade, at the end of the month, you are focusing on the percentage performance vis-a-vis the capital and losses you've made. $150 server will unlock for you a trading capital range of $10,000 to $2 million in capital range. And you can easily use 24, 72, or 120 hours of trading contract. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you have the passive income on your capital. At this stage, it is capital at work, servers at work, trading time at work. Whether you keep quiet forever and the capital works for you, every single day, you're gonna make your profit. You're gonna make your profit. Whether 72, whether 120, whether 24, whether 12, whether you tell anybody or not, you're gonna make your profits here. That's why we have investment range. This is the investors panel. Investors panel. Because the proof of work in this system is live market trading using AI model. I'm done with this page. Allow me go to the conclusive remarks of citing out the commission system. The company is 1 million users plus. The question is how? How are 1 million people joining this project? Human beings are always asking one question before they do anything. And that question is always, what is in it for me? What is in it for me? It is our nature. We always want to do things, but we want to know what is there for you to do that particular assignment. Now, the company has put aside a commission called one-time server purchase commission. They have realized that these are promoters, these are partners. Let us give them 30%. Anybody they bring directly to buy a server, on that particular money, we buy a server with. So if it's your direct, you have 30%. If it's direct, you have 20%. In other words, the $4, $40, $150 server are paying out 30, 20 commissions one time. One time. Okay? Number 2 commission is the team trading commission, or what we call transaction commission. I call it progressive commission. In the brokerage language, we call it rebates. Do research. Most broker firms have influencers who promote them, even if they are not traders. Why? Because they are promoting the broker, people who get that broker name from that influencer, they will sign up through that IBO link provided by the influencer. The guy has 1,000 people joining a broker firm, and he has rebates from each of them trading, even if he has no business with trading. He's a businessman, he's a promoter. His YouTube channel is 100,000 subscribers. When he posts a video, 10,000 viewers will be watched that video in 24 hours. That guy can make money on a broker firm as their brand ambassador because he has followers. So rebate systems are very amazing. This is how Algo has come up with that idea to share back profit to the community by giving 8% on level 1 subscribers. Remember, everybody joining Algo is not joining a political party, is not joining a honeymoon. This is not a dating site. This is business. It's a trading system. Everybody is coming to trade. Everybody is coming to make use of their capital to multiply, grow for them. But they are coming through somebody who has seen value in the project. So this is how they appreciate you. They are saying, Mr. John, all your level 1 people trading with the system, we are going to pay you 8% upon their trade completion when members of your team trade and generate profit. The contract is profits, not capital. Not capital. They deposit, they don't trade, no commission. They deposit, trade, make profits, yes, there's a commission. 8% level 1, 6% level 2, 4% level 3, 2% level 2, level 4, 1% level 5. If you compute all this total, you're going to get 21%. Where does it come from? The 21% comes from the 30% that the company takes as a profit share. So that means the company is not taking 30% home. The company is taking 9% on the profit share. Where does the 21% go? Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Do you understand me? Now, this person has a team on level 1. They are trading. Every time their trade closes, there is a percentage, 8% sharing. Do you think this person will keep quiet on just 2 people, 3, 4 people he has on level 1? No. He will go on to share the opportunity if he wants. The team from level 1 to 5, they duplicate automatically once you keep building your level 1 or level 2s. Because everybody is here to win on the first hand of the business, which is the trading. The trading is the service or the product we have. So use the product to trade, share the product if you want. If you don't want, keep quiet, keep growing your capital, keep compounding, keep withdrawing, enjoy your life. So we have a nice testimony here. And this person came up and said, look, in 5 months, Algo gave me satisfactory returns. I am a loyal fan of it. Every member of my team has received a good income for their efforts. Life has changed because of it. It's a genuine testimony. Running a $2,500, 2,526 active members, not a joke. Joanna, stop writing on the screen, please. Joanna, stop writing on the screen. Leave your phone, just to watch. Now, this gentleman is telling us he has made a total income by the time we got this screenshot of $124,000 US dollars. $124,000 US dollars. Okay? This person. Now, what did you tell this person? What can you tell this person? That Algo is blah blah according to what I searched. This person's life has changed dramatically and never to turn back. Never. In 5 months of this year, 2025, for you to have an income of $124,000, you can sit on the table of any person, even a king. And you can go to any part of the world with this income. The choice is yours. Stories tell, facts tell, and stories sell. This is his story. He's using this story to sell his project or his business. Finally, in summary, the dual passive income is here, 8 to 1%. Insurance is here, premium 0.5, 0.2, capital under protection, any loss, the company refunds everything. I'm heading to 70 days. I have not seen any losing trade. Every trade has been completing in profit. The only thing I'm supposed to do is to execute back another trade without wasting any single second. Vision and growth path. Number 1, expanding global infrastructure, fostering a professional partner ecosystem, ensuring regulatory alignment. The company believes that financial growth should be transparent, correct, data-driven, yes, and accessible. That's why Algo is not just a trading platform. It is a gateway to long-term wealth creation for individuals just like me and you, and organizations worldwide. Lastly, as usual, like eagles, let us rise above the clouds. Like rivers, let us surge forward with unstoppable force. We are not here to survive. We are here to shine. Let the world celebrate the fire of those who dare to try. I thank you so very much, the 70 plus people who came in and those streaming live on Facebook, on YouTube. I appreciate you so much. Let us stick together. Let us work together as a family. Let us have stories to tell, because we are all here for a purpose of rising above every limitation that you have encountered. The tool, the vehicle is here. Let us use it wisely. Wish you the best. I want to see you on the top, where egos never collide. And I can tell you for free, let us use the sky as the stepping stone to soar higher, higher, and above. Thank you so very much. Shalom. And Mr. Peter, take it up the microphone. I phase up.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you for this wonderful delivery. On behalf of the participants here, the members on the call, they say, Aiko, thank you very much for that inspirational explanation. We appreciate you and honored you on this platform. Before we start, I said professor. Professorship is just a title. So, as you are able to impart knowledge here, we have the platform ourselves, so we can decide to call you professor. There is nothing wrong with that. Thank you very much. You have done a yeoman's job. I'm now going to take you through the second section. That is by searching for 3 certificates that Goainvest, Algo have acquired. One, that is the SEC, the superior one, of course, that is SEC by Goainvest. Then the 2 others, that is mobile service, banking, finance license, and the actual registration of Goainvest. Stay tuned as I share my screen. Brother Destiny?
Yes,
can you
clear.
see my screen? Very good. Thank you. Very good. Thank you, and very good. All right, so first and foremost, you can go to Google. Let's do it together. Go to Google on your phone and type SEC. Type SEC and click on SEC, United States Security and Exchange Commission, and click on it. Let it load. Go to the home page. Look for the home page, which is here. Click on it. sec.government/home. All right. When you are there, go to the search box and then enter iPad. I-A-P-D. iPad. Investment Advisor Public Disclosure. So you enter iPad and then enter iPad and then go to search. Go to search. Go to the home page. Go to the home page of SEC. That is home page. Click on it. When you arrive here, what do? Click on the firm. You can see here, this is the logo of United States of America, the regulators. This is their logo. We have all started from Google, so this is not my Google. This is not Algo Google. This is the Google all we know from the world. Click on firm and enter Goainvest LLC. When you are done, click on search LLC, Limited Liability Company. You can see with yourself all the go company registered are here, about 11 pages. If you feel like you have time, you want to go through, you can go through, but the main purpose here is Goainvest. So click on Goainvest. So you can see investment advisor firm summary. The summary is given to you, Goainvest, their address, where they are, their numbers, SEC number displayed here. Please put your hand down. When we finish, you ask your question. So after seeing here, you'll see SEC jurisdiction, registration status, approved, and effective date of approval. Take your time. You can see Alabama to Wisconsin, Washington, and the likes. Goainvest registered in all the states that are being shown here for you to see. If you have anything, take your time to read. I've shown you how to search, so you can do that, read the rest for yourself. We are moving to the mobile service banking, that is MSB, license acquired by Afrikkalainen. Click on it. Go to the registrant search. Click on it. And this is Financial Crime Enforcement Network. The logo here is US Treasury, Financial Crime Enforcement Network. And it's here. This is not for Afrikkalainen. This is US database. And we are doing the search on Google. Go take the number, Afrikkalainen number, license number, that is 31003014857553. When you read the profile of Afrikkalainen, you have done thorough reading about the platform, you see that number, their certificate number there. Click on search. I'm taking my time to do that for you. I expect that by now, most of you who normally join from this platform will know how to do the search. You can see this is Afrikkalainen, their address, city, that is New York, state, that is New York, and the zip code. This is their license activity number that is being stated here. When you see these are abbreviations of United States, abbreviations of the states. So they have license in majority of the state here. You move on, we see the authority date, the date it was signed, and the date it was received. They are all stated here. Take your time, peruse it yourself, and then you decide for yourself. The last one is the company Afrikkalainen's certification. So you go to appdocument.new.gov/public-enquiry/search or search. This is also a database for U.S. Department of State Division of Corporations. They are the only people who can allow you or give you certification of a business. And they have done exactly for Afrikkalainen. Take your time, type in Afrikkalainen Incorporation. And then this is Afrikkalainen Incorporation. So when you click on incorporation, you get it. When you click on limited liability company, please, it is not limited liability company. There is difference between corporation, limited liability company, limited partnership, and limited liability partnership. Where your business is categorized, that is why you have to search for and then get exactly what you are looking for. So click on search. Those that have registered for business, they will know. When you click on it, the details are here for you to see. Afrikkalainen Incorporation, business type or entity type, domestic business corporation. The law that promulgated the registration of business in US is stated here categorically. The initial filing date, effective date, country, New York, jurisdiction, New York and United States. If you make mistake and you put in different states here, you will not get it. So this is the license number, status that is active, and statement status is currently running. And these are the due date, or this is the due date, 2027. Take your time. If you like, you can click all these. And then the merger history is also here for you to see. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope most of you have taken a clue. Most of you can do it on your own. We are moving to the back office. But before we do that, let me take you to Goainvest platform. You were told from the PDF explanation that Goainvest acquired or merged with Afrikkalainen. So I want to take you, we have three categories of companies that Afrikkalainen acquired. That is, so you click on Goainvest LLC. Take your time, come to company, and you can see Japan indicator. It's a technology they are using to trade in Japan. We have Afrikkalainen. That is what we are. That is what brought us here this evening. And then Senior Trust, which is also a company in US. So you click on Afrikkalainen for you to enter into the platform. Take your time to read. I hope most of you here can do that on your own. For all these at the top here, when we get to the back office, you get to know. Let's move straight. This is the certificate, the SEC certificate they have displayed on the platform. And the license number, everything is stated here. Take your time to read. Why are you here this evening? It's because of Afrikkalainen. Why choose Afrikkalainen? They have enumerated number of reasons why you have to choose Afrikkalainen. One, the license I've shown you, and the SEC that I've shown you. Two, they have a robust KYC policy to prevent fraudulent activities on the platform. Three, they have also people that are proactive to audit the system and have mitigating measures in order for safe security of the platform. And the fourth one, assurance of stable income guaranteed. Here, every day when you trade, you will see something If you choose 24 hours based on the hours trade, you see something, user income in your account every day. So it is a stable income. We have other narrations you can read about the platform. Flickr Algo strategy and project plan. If you have a company and you don't have a succession plan or a plan, you are bound to fail. Here, those people who ask about Firefly to Flickr Algo, it is all stated here. Take your time to read. You can see Firefly here. You can see New York officially completed a global compliance registration and obtained MSB regulatory license to establish Firefly Star Global Holdings Limited. Let me go to the last one for you to see. Reach a cooperation with a global index, Goainvest LLC, security company, and receive support for the merger and reorganization and change its name to Flickr Algo. Take your time, read, and understand very well. They are telling you they have a robust insurance fund for you to take care of your losses. They have documents here which you can read, download it, read, and understand. Future of Flickr Algo. It is enumerated here. 2025, which we are in now. 2026, which is coming, few months, and then 2027. These are the plans they have for you up to 2027. Well, all said and done, Flickr Algo is not working in isolation. They have partners, a touch-not partners, that is Binance, OKS. You can see them here. This is where they interface with, trade, and give you a stable income each day. Anytime the technology they are using goes into the market and there is fluctuation, the AI decide and look for the best alternative on this platform for you and trade for you. We can't talk of Flickr Algo without mentioning few people on this platform. The owner, the founder, that is James Carter, is having a good people supporting him with the knowledge and skills, which are also mentioned here. Take your time to read about their profile. If you have any difficulties on this platform, kindly write message through the platform to them. They are ready to reply and assist you. Very good, of course. Send a message and you get the reply. Let's move to the back office, how to get started. When you are on the platform, let me start. Let me log off. When you are on the platform will show you this, create an account. Before you join the platform, someone must give you a link. Or if by chance you want to start from the platform, www.flickralgo.com, you need an invitation code. Whoever invite you to this platform, please kindly contact the person for the invitation code from him or the link from him, and you will be given. First, let's start. Input your user name that you want to use on Afrikkalainen platform. Enter your password that you can recognize or recollect at any moment, any time. Confirm the password, and then already I told you of the invitation code. If it is the link, it is embedded in it. If by chance you are on the platform, ask for the invitation code from your app liner, whoever invited you, and input it here. Click on send, and then the message will be sent to the email provided above here. Look for it, copy the number that the email sent to you from Afrikkalainen, paste it here, or enter it on the keyboard on your phone, and then click. Make sure you check here, if it's not already checked, the policies of the platform. Click here to continue, and then the success about you. After that, go and log in. So PD is my login, my password, and then enter this catch patch number. Just the number, but don't enter the numeric. Enter the number 2986. It is rotational, so if you can't get it clear, you can click here and new one will come. Click in or log in, and you are on the platform. As soon as you reach or you are on the platform, come here. You have your name that you choose, your UID given to you, and then look for this box with the red information on top. Click on it, and then come to in progress. Click on it, and there is 4 starts. 4 starts. Click on them one after the other, and then you will see one written claim reward. Please click on it, and then there is few reward that will show up here for you when you refresh back to the front page. This is called Avatar. Click on it, and then straight move to KYC certification. Click on the KYC certification, and there is a column here for you to fill. One, of course, is your name, your date of birth, and then in the third column, it is populated with the IDs, several of them, about 6 or 7 of them. Select the best that you want to use, the one that you want to use to do the registration. There is a column for you requiring the ID number. Enter it, and then take a picture or scan copy of the ID card you are using and submit it. After the submission, wait for 1 to 5 minutes. If you don't have any spelling mistake, date of birth issue different from the one on the ID, within 1 to 5 minutes, your KYC should be approved. I'm telling you the scenarios that can keep your KYC long. So if you have that problem, Please kindly go, delete it, take your time to do the right thing. Thank you. Secondly, if you want to invite friends, click here, and then this address is generated for you. Click on the address and then send it through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through what you have for your colleagues to join. All right, as I'm here, let me finish with it. My brother explained this portion to all of you. So I will return to this page again. So let's move on. Now you have to bind your wallet. You have to bind your wallet. So click on the wallet and then come to this plus, the plus here, and then we have some network here, which is TRC20, Ethereum, and BTC. Apart from that, we have some countries here that they have populated the system with their banking information and systems. So let's take them one after the other. When you are using TRC20 and you have Binance account, or if you don't have Binance account, go and download Binance or OKX app. Register there and then click on deposit on home or interface. Click on deposit. The page will open for you. Look for USDT. Click on the USDT and then you will see these networks. You see all these networks. You see all these networks, 1, 2, 3. All of them are on that portion. Select the one you want to use, either the TRC20, the Ethereum, or the BTC. Select one, and address will be generated for you. As soon as you click on it like this, you see that the address is generated for you in Binance or OKS. Copy that address, come to Algo, and paste that address here. You see the TRC20. When you copy the TRC20 there, come and paste it here. When you copy this one, ERC20 from Binance, come and paste it at ERC20 here in Algo. The same when you copy BTC, that is Bitcoin. When you come here, select the Bitcoin and paste the address here. Click send, and email will be sent with a code or verification code. Copy that verification code and paste it one after the other, or you paste it at where it is required and then submit. You have bind the account. You can decide to bind all of them. You don't have problem. And as soon as it is done, you see your address with the network appearing here. All of them can be here. You don't have a problem. The problem is when you want to withdraw, you choose the one you want to withdraw with. Let's go to the banking system. We have Mexico, Brazil, Nigeria, Turkey, Kenya, and Philippines. They have populated the system, their banking system already. So let's take Nigeria, for example. What do you have to do? When you open account in a bank, the name you use to open the account, come and put it here. Here it is populated, so the banks are already here in the system. Click on the column here, and then the banks are already here. Select the one that you have opened your account with, and then you are done. Select it. If Access Bank, select it, and enter your bank account number, Access Bank account number that is given to you. Enter it here. Send for a verification code, and then when the code is sent to your mail, copy it, paste it here, enter it here, and submit. You are done. It is perpetual. When you want to withdraw, you want to deposit, you use the system. Well, we have done with binding. What do you have to know? You have to know how to withdraw. And if you want to withdraw, you have to use password. If you have challenges with your former entrance password, you want to change, you come here. This is the entrance one. Click on it and do the changes. Input the new password you want to select. And then you do the same by sending for verification code and then submit. It is done. Please let your payment password be different from entrance password. For obvious reason, you know.
Ei oikeastaan tarvitse tehdä muuta pistää tuohon tökätä. Sen pitäisi kyllä ymmärtää, että siellä puhelinkin. Se on niin pieni, joo. Mäkin käytän valoa. Anna mä laitan. Pientä. Nää menee pienemmäksi vaan.
Ai niin, mutta nyt kun käykö tää mun piuasia?
There is frequent questions that a lot of people ask.
Täytyy huomata sulle kunnon piuha, missä on molemmissa päässä. Se pieni.
Take your time.
Kiitos, se on tosi nopea lataamaan sitten kanssa. Tää vähän hitaampi tää vanha piuha.
If you can speak English and you have alternative Spanish, you can speak French, you can speak Turkey, Portuguese.
Tuossa näkyy kohta watteja. Paljon tulee ulos tää akusta wattia, 0 wattia. Eikä se nyt olekaan keskustelussa puhelimen kanssa. Niin heillähän sulla oli tässä se. Painetaan tuosta pienestä harmaasta, niin avataan nämä portit. Kokeile se, tulee tutuksi. Nyt varmaan lähtee tulee watteja ulos täältä.
Nyt tää lähtee.
3 wattia. Okei, 8, jes. Ainakin tuolla. No nyt me tiedetään. Joo, saisiko itekin 2 nappia? Pari nappia.
It's the same when you want to know more, just click. There is also video. The owners, you are at liberty to do that, to inquire, and then they are available to reply you. So you can send your message here and then send to them by this portion. By clicking here, the message is sent. And they will reply you appropriately. We are done. Here is a broker, personal broker. If you don't understand something and you want to ask, come here, click on it, and then they have assigned a person to you who you can communicate with on your WhatsApp page every day. Anything that you do in the system is recorded. Let's go to withdrawal. When you want to withdraw, please kindly select the network you want to use. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. that is TRC20, ERC20, Ethereum, and BTC, that's a Bitcoin. The one that you want to use. If you bind the wallet with all of them, you just click the one and your address will automatically come here. So I use TRC20, so when I click on it, my address is automatically showing up here. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the password you choose, and then send for verification code. The number will go to your email. Copy it from your email, and then paste it here, and then submit. Immediately, the money will move from Algo platform to the Binance or OKS or any other third applications or parties you use. The money will go and land there within 2, 3 to 5, the highest 5 minutes. It should be there if there is network challenges. The same thing I said, if you click here, if you have done the binding for all of them, you see the address and the money will go there. Anything that you do in the system, it is stored. So when you click here, you see everything. Either you use the banking system, that is the fiat currency, or the USTD. It is recorded in the system. These are withdrawals. Today, I've even taken some $100 to do something, and they are all here. The fiat, when you click on it, and then you are done through the banking system, it will all appear here. Those writing on the screen, please, we beg of you, allow us to do the best for you. You can do transfer from your platform to a colleague who is finding it difficult to load, deposit into the platform, or withdraw from the platform. You just click here, the arrow up and down, and then you see that your money will come, available balance will be here. Enter the amount, enter the UID, that is the person's ID number on Algo. Enter your password, that is payment password, and select send, and then submit, and then the money goes straight to the person's platform or the person's account within a minute, seconds or minutes. It will land there. And any transfer that you made, it is readily available and stored in the system for reference at any time. You can see day in, day out, I'm doing so. Deposit is the same manner, but slightly different. If you are going to use TRC20 from Binance to pay, click on it. If you are using Ethereum, BET20 and BNB, this one they have even added more, BNB, Ethereum, BTC, and the likes. You just click on it, enter the amount you deposit into the platform, and then come here to submit. These are live deposits trending into the platform. See somebody, 109,890, so $119,870 being sent to this platform to trade. That is a courageous and motivated person. We want to make it, and he has sent that money to the platform. Imagine the trading income you will get, or she will get. Click here and then send this address to the Binance. Go to add fund, send, and send on chain. then the address portion will show for you. Paste this address there and select the address, select the network. That is, if you are using TRC20 from the platform there, you select it at the Binance there. If you are using BNB, you select it on the platform there before you paste it. Enter the amount you want to transfer, that is 2,000 to this platform. Remember, Binance will take $1 from each transfer you make to this platform. Or OKS will take the charges from any deposit you want to make onto this platform. When it is done, you take your time. Within 1 to 2 minutes, it will come. Refresh. If it's not coming, refresh or log out and log in. And you see, even Binance will give you information that you have withdrawn an amount from their platform to different platform. When you get that message, know definitely it will land in Flickr Algo accounts. On the platform here, we have social network that they have added to educate you on the platform. So you can see x.com account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and then TikTok. They are all available for you to learn from. We have live session, which my brother will take you through. Now, let's go to the Vita again. Yes, if you want to trade and you are not referring anybody, it is allowed. If you want to extend your tentacle by spreading the good news to others to follow, the platform is saying that you can't do that alone. I will reward you. These days, even when you refer someone to open Binance accounts, they ask for the person who refer you to the Binance, your ID. Why? Because they are saying that if you refer somebody to the platform and the person trades on the Binance, they have something for you. It's the same applicable here. It is not bad at all. So you can know your team, those people who are trading, you have referred to, and they are trading on Flickr Algo platform. When you come here, my brother explained already, so I will not take much time to explain. Your level 1, the 8% you talk about, will be given to you. Your level 2, the 6% that you talk about, will be given to you. Level 3, the 4% will be given to you. The level 4, the 2% will be given to you. And then the level 5, the 1% will be given to you. Under your level 1, those people you refer, your direct, you can see them under you. You can see them under you trading. Level 2, the same, unaccountable. They are all here under you up to the level 5. When you do that and they have given you something, what do? Come here and receive them one after the other. So I'm starting to receive. Despite not big, but it's something. Little drop of water make a mighty ocean. You can see small is dropping. And After receiving them, we will see what it entails. When click on it, you wait for some seconds, and then you receive them.
On meillä ketsuppia. On meillä ketsuppia. Joko se on täällä tai sitten... No on täälläkin joo. Täällä on Phoenixia.
2 seconds.
Hantsi on tuolla kopissa.
Right. So I've received up to level 1 to level 5. So let's go to the portal and see. It's $83. At least. Not enough, but it's okay. At least this one, if I did exchange, I can get about some thousand Ghana cedis, and then I can go and chill. So this is what I've received from those who are trading. This is not from their capital. This is from whatever they have made on the platform, and the platform decided to take 30 and give them 70. Out of the 30, they have given me a portion of it, which is 21. Out of the trading that people have done on those levels today, this is what I've got from them. So I encourage you to trade more. The platform is stable, and you can also do that. Here, I'm showing you the way, but you can make it more than me. There is no limit for anybody here. You can start from ground zero and be at the top. Let's go to trading, smart trading. Now you are here to trade. So let's go to the server. We have 2 categories of trade, that is cryptocurrency and forex. So you can shutter by clicking in between, clicking on them. Let's go to server, which my brother spoke about. The category is here. This one is free. So what do you do? $10 to $30. If you have that range to trade, just click on it, and then confirm. When you confirm, you are going to trade on it free. But as soon as your capital reach $30, the system will require you to buy different server. Let's go to server 2. The range is 30 to 1,000. When you acquired this, you pay $4, and the investment period, as mentioned, 12 to 24 hours. When you buy, you are liberty to use it for 1 month and then renew it at a half price. So what do? Confirm, and then it is done. Let me tell you something here. When you trade and you reach 999 to 1,000, as soon as you reach 1,000, the system will not allow you to use server 2 again to trade, because your capital is more than 1,000. It will require you to buy new server, which is server 4. When you have up to 1,000, you are using server 4, there is no problem. If you decide that I have a capital of 500, the system will not ask you to use server 4 when your capital is less than 1,000. If you are within 1,000, it will allow you to trade. But if you have $500 and you decided that I want to use server 4, it is allowed. That one, the system allow you to buy server 4. And you can trade on server 4 up to you reach $10,000. Or you have a range from $500 to $10,000. As soon as it hits 10,000 and 10,010, you have to shift to another server. So when you have a range, these are the period given to you: 12, 24, and 72 hours to trade. Click here and select. And when the 1 month ends, automatically go and renew. Simple as that. And $20 will be taken from your capital. Let's go to the last ultimate, which is from 10,000 to 200 million US dollars. You are given 24, 72, and 120 hours or period to trade. Click here, buy, and 150 will be taken from your account. At the end of the month, renew at half price, which is $75. Let's go to trade homepage. So when you have your capital, it will show here. When you have your deposit, to show here. Then what do you have to do? Click on cryptocurrency, or if you are going to use forex, click on it. Then go to your smart trade, smart option, click on it. Select crypto or the forex you want. Select the server. The server free is there for me to use. I have server 22, it's there for me. So if I want to use this server, I can use it because the available balance is within server 2. I can use it, but I will not select 24 hours. I will select 12 hours so that by tomorrow morning I can add it to my bigger investment amount and then trade with it. So I can click here and select 12 hours just to show you. Then I'll just click, and then order is created successfully. So you can see that order is running. That is 11 hours, and this is 10. Then 1 hour different. So I can't wait. And this is what I'm doing. By tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, this one will be ready for me, and I'll get almost about $150, or from a range from $140 to $150 tomorrow morning as my total, my income, user income, not the total income. Now take note of this: the time created and the time, the ending time, or the ends time, or the end time. So you take note of it, and then what do? Set alarm. Set alarm so that you will not forget or forgot. So when it is done and the time end, your watch can ring for you to remind you to place an order again. I think you have taken note of it. So let me show you yesterday income. I will show you something there right now. So yesterday I split the income. I did 7, 10 differently. I got 13, and I did 7,984, and I got 133. So if you add 133 to 13, is 146. So yesterday I got, which is today, this morning, I got $146 as my trade. And every day I'm having a stable income, which all of you can see. If you want to determine the percentage that you got, what do you have to do? Take the amount, total profit, take your total profit and divided it by the investment amount. So my total profit here is 190 divided by $7,984, and then you times 100, then you see the percentage you have got for the day. That is how you do it, so that you be abreast with the situations. So if you want to see the assets that this is running, you will see BTC, Dodge, EOS, and LIT, LTC. These are the assets that your money is trading in now. They are the highest now in the system. So this is where they are trading. We are done. And then they are floating adverts in the system. We have tutorial here. If you want to know much more, you can read. You can click here and then understand the system. They are mining, but now the slot is finished. So whenever it is done, it is 180 days. When it's done, they'll float another license. And if you are interested, you can purchase. Very lucrative. Thank you. I will ask all of you, if you have a testimony, you just raise up your hand, unmute yourself, and give the testimony. If you have a question, just raise up your hand. We'll allow you to ask your question. These are the assets. These are the assets. You can see them. These are the assets that your money is used to trade in. And then when you click on Forex, these are the currencies that your money is used to trade in and get back to you with the profit, with the robust system. These are videos in the system, and then you can do justice to them by reading through it. Thank you very much for coming and staying with us through the thick and up to now. Thank you all for listening. Thank you for your attention. You may now start asking. Okay, let me ask Brother Dennis Anthony to show you the live trading. Then after that, you can ask your question. Brother Dennis, I'm done. The mic is over to you.
Thank you so very much for that wonderful breakdown. Incredible. I think let's appreciate him for that incredible breakdown of the back office and proof of trade. Congratulations, Mr. Peter. That's amazing. I'm always inspired by your trading proof and the live trades you have. I think the first time you were showing me the business, your trading capital was around $2,000, right?
Yes.
Now I see you are almost heading to $10,000 in capital trade.
Yes.
Amazing. Yes. That's nice. You can stop the screen share so that I can go on with the share.
All right.
Just 1 minute, then I'm not going to take long because I've already done a lot.
All right.
Just to show you the back-tested data and also some of the live trades on our live trade data. You come to live. So every 3 days, the company updates some data on the live back tested live streams on exchanges and trading view. So this week we are having on the cryptocurrency, we are having a coin called NIA or NIA protocol. I think those of you in the cryptocurrency, you know. Excuse me. Then in the Forex section, we have the New Zealand USD, New Zealand dollar USD. Those of you who trade Forex, you know what I'm talking about. So this is the live data we have currently. If you expand, you're able to see we have an order. The company has an order. The Algo is able to indicate or show you how it is moving. Yeah. So near USDT perpetual contract. Okay. The exchange platform where the trade is taking place live is Bybit. I think Bit is one of the major exchanges globally. The order type is a order sell. Okay. The strategy is the Bollinger Band strategy, and then the sell. The trade is going in a sell based on the data of July 14 to August 5th. Okay. So this is the algo. This is how the algo moves. So based on the company's algorithms, these are orders that can be taken by the artificial intelligence to execute profits. Okay. Or order sell, and this is the crypto asset. Then on the part of Forex, New Zealand dollar versus US dollar is trading live. We have the Forex market open, which is 24/5, and it's automated Forex performance. So this order or this live stream is happening, and you can see this is the market move, and you see these arrows, the blue arrow indicating a buy, the ones that are indicating a sell. I think this one is not loading much. Yeah, so this is a glimpse, just a snapshot of how the company trades back behind the scenes. We might not show everything, but I think Peter showed you when you have a live trade, you can click on it, be able to capture all the coins that you're trading at that particular moment. Because every trade has its own unique coins. If I check mine, it might not be for the Peter's order. Yeah. That shows you that the company, because there are tens and 10,000s of crypto assets. So everybody's trade shows them different coins or different crypto assets. So that's another proof that whatever the company does is not just cooked, but based on the real market. So thank you so much, Peter. Let's have some few questions, then we call it a night.
I want to acknowledge one individual, David Opon. You are welcome to this first meeting Zoom call. As usual, we'll meet and laugh one day. Yes, it's question time. Please, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? The question that is bothering you. Please, let's have them. Let's address them. If we cannot address them, we'll direct you where it can be addressed to you. We are like you, just that we have the chance and you are able to reach the platform before you. We are all equal here, but your ability of joining, that's the difference. The time of joining is just the difference. I can join long time, but you have the muscles, you have the capital to trade, get money more than me. They say the ends justify the means. Please ask your question so that we can close and then have a sound sleep. I hope all of you. Oh, please, can you unmute them? Allow participants to unmute themselves. Okay. Now you can unmute yourself.
Whoever has a question, they can put their hand up, then we pick them.
All right.
Yeah, to avoid a lot of noise.
All right. Please just raise your hand.
Tap your virtual hand, then we'll give you the permission to unmute. You can as well go to the chat room.
And then type.
I've opened it.
Okay.
Every time we start the Zoom, the chat room will be locked because people are funny. They just go to the chat room and post whatever rubbish they feel they want to put because they feel like posting something. Let's have order. If it's a Zoom time, listen. Whatever you know, keep it. If you want to know what you know, so yeah, like this guy here. He's called Temopax, whatever. He's posting some nonsense. These are the people we have to remove from this Zoom. Temo.
I see that. I say he's saying company 2 websites first appear in internet in July, not years ago. You don't know anything. You are here talking. You are just writing rubbish. Just because you have the typing and what. You don't know anything. You are just posting. You were here before we were showing you. If you are not on the platform and you don't know what transpired, don't come and put anything here. You know something about Afrikkalainen. Do you know something about Firefly?
I think some people should just go and plant maize and coffee and bananas and live online business.